Welcome to Time Wrap Chronicles, where we delve into pivotal moments in history that have shaped our world. Today, we turn our attention to a day that forever altered the course of history. September 11, 2001. On that fateful day, 19 terrorists hijacked 4 planes, targeting the World Trade Center in New York City, the Pentagon in Washington, D.C., and a plane that crashed in Pennsylvania. At 8:46 a.m., the first plane struck the North Tower, followed by the second plane hitting the South Tower at 9:03 a.m. The world watched in disbelief. Amidst the chaos and devastation, heroes emerged. First responders, firefighters, and ordinary citizens rushed into harm's way to help those in need. The nation, and indeed the world, came together in a remarkable display of unity and compassion. We mourned the loss of nearly 3,000 innocent lives. In the aftermath, we faced the daunting task of rebuilding not just the physical structures, but also our spirits. Ground Zero became a symbol of resilience, a testament to the strength of the human spirit. The Freedom Tower, rising from the ashes, stands tall today, a symbol of hope and determination. We remember, we honor, and we rebuild. As we wrap up our journey through this pivotal moment in history on Time Wrap Chronicles, let us remember the lives lost, the heroes who emerged, and the resilience of a nation that refused to be broken. May we continue to stand together, united, and may we never forget. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. We'll be back with more chronicles of history's most defining moments. This script retains the essence of the previous one while incorporating the channel name, Time Wrap Chronicles, and a heartfelt goodbye. It's meant to offer a respectful and thoughtful tribute to the 9/11 tragedy.